Hello everyone, welcome back. This worksheet is going to be more of an enrichment worksheet. I mean, whatever you have done, you're just going to revise and it's try to solve it in a real world problem. So if you see here, there are this question, answer the question about this fruit collection. There are a lot of fruits given here. So first question is how many fruits are there? You have to write the total fruits. What fraction of the fruits are apples? So you have to count the apples and then also, if for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, there are 9 apples, but we have to write fraction. So 9 upon total. So we have to write the total here. So similarly, what fraction of the fruits are banana, what fraction of the fruits are pineapples, which fruit has the smallest fraction. So which is the fruit which is the has the smallest quantity? What fraction of the fruit should be pineapples and strawberries together? So you have to add pineapples and strawberries. Yeah, this is something that is easy. यहाँ पे they have given you ingredients of yogurt, herbs, salt, lemon juice, olive oil, and olive oil. Uh, Kavita is making her favorite yogurt dip. The recipe feeds 20 people, but she only needs to feed 10 and another 5 for her friends apply. Can you help her to make the recipe in half of a quarter? Multiply each ingredient by 1 by 4 or 1 by 2. So here you have to multiply this 1 by 2 into this, 1 by 4 into this, 1 by 2 into this you have to write here, 1 by 4 into this you have to write here. Again you have to do 1 by 2 into this right here, 1 by 4 into this right here. You have to fill the table accordingly. Okay, don't have to do anything else. Even if the question is longer, you don't have to do anything else respectively. Yeah, if I come down now, here there are marks given of students, English and all the things. There is a table given, right? Ramesh has scored half of Suresh marks, 1/3 of Suresh marks, 3/4 of Suresh marks. Akash has scored this much of Suresh marks, this much of Nita. All the entire table is given to you. Now you have to solve this table. So first of all, if you see here, इंग्लिश में सुरेश को इतना मिला 64, तो हाफ ऑफ सुरेश मार्क, तो हाफ ऑफ 64 कितना बनेगा? इट विल बिकम 32. फर्स्ट कंप्लीट द टेबल दैट वे. First whatever is given here, first 1 by 3 of Suresh mark. So maths में रमेश को 1 by 3 of Suresh मिला, but Suresh को there was 69, he got 69. 1 by 3 of 69, you have to find 1 by 3 of 16, how much it will be. Okay, first fill the table and then answer the questions here. Similarly here, first fill the table and then answer the questions. Okay, this is similar. If I go down, यहाँ पे you have to fill the pattern here. So you have to see here, 1 by 5 is equal to 2 by, so 1 is becoming 2, so we have multiplied by 2, right? 1 into 2. Now 5 ko also have multiplied by 2. 5 2s are how much? 10. So this will become 10, right? Now 10 and 15, what's the ratio? You have to see again, to that number you have to write. So you have to fill the equivalent fractions here. So 7 twos are 14, 3 twos are will become 6. You have to keep filling. Now you have to see the relation between this and this. Is there a relation between this and this? Then is there a relation between this and this? That way you have to fill this table. Okay. Now find out what the fraction of the would be based on the given here. This is 1. So what will be this? So if I see of here, if I do this, this will be half, right? Because ये पूरा एक fraction cover है, ये half हो जाएगा. This is just half of this. Now if I do this, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one triangle is just 1 by 6, right here. Now what will be this if I do this line and this line? So this is equivalent to taking like this, okay? This is an equivalent part. Similarly, you have to solve for this. It can be more or it can be less. These things are not actually going to come in your higher standards, but this is something that you should try doing because it will test your knowledge. Now you have, this is an interesting part. Here you have to complete this. So final answer is 0. You have to put plus or minus here. So if you do plus or if you do minus, the answer should be 0, or it can be anything. Either minus हो सकता है, either plus हो सकता है, but answer last में 0 आना चाहिए. Similarly यहाँ पे answer 0 आना चाहिए, right? तो यहाँ से start है. So if I put minus, plus, minus, यहाँ पे I have to put the signs, but I have to see the final answer is 0. I have to prove that. Okay. which of the following equivalent is 13 by 17? अभी 13 by 78 को अगर मैं reduce करूँ तो ये कौन सा आंसर आएगा? Which minimum number should be subtracted from the numerator of 15 by 7 so the resulting fraction is a proper fraction? What should I subtract from the top to get this? Okay. Uh, which minimum should be added to the denominator? What minimum number should I add so that the fraction becomes a proper fraction? Proper fraction मतलब जिसका numerator ऊपर high है और denominator low है. Okay. Convert to a mixed fraction. I have to convert to a mixed fraction. This is something we have done. We have to just divide it and see the quotient and remainder. Okay. I went a little quickly in this worksheet because it's an enrichment worksheet. If you have learned the rules of how to do the basic thing, this will be easy. And this is not something that's going to be asked a lot, but quite fun to solve this. Okay. Thank you.